you could live off next to nothing. It is scary when you think about how much food there is that gets wasted. I started buying daily staples, like you always see fruit and veg reduced because, really it has a short lifeline. At the time I was eating meat, so I'd get meat, freeze it, I'd get bread, freeze it. And initially it was like this huge high, you'd come back and you'd work out how much it should have cost you compared to what it did. And it really sort of opened up my eyes in terms of cooking, because I would cook around what I had rather than going out to get different ingredients. I would Google recipes, I'd go through recipe books, it really opened me up to food. See, these cookies are gluten-free, protein, vegan, chocolate chip cookies. And like I said, the only plain ingredient was yellow sticker chickpea flour. Oh, I've got a few left, so I don't want to dry out my mango, yeah? I want to eat fresh mango because it's beautiful. So, the peel is edible. So I just dry it and they are lovely. This is the sort of stuff that you would be paying about £3 for in a health food shop, And even though the money you save is huge, actually the things that have been benefits have been bigger. Reducing food waste, becoming confident in the kitchen, being more mindful, really appreciating the value of food. You can't justify throwing food away when there are people up the road from you going hungry. There are people in third world countries dying of starvation. It's a madness. I was at an event that a friend had got me tickets to for my birthday, and I saw that the process were going to the Felix Project. What they do is they're a food waste, food poverty charity, so they collect surplus food from restaurants, eateries, delis, and they distribute it to homeless charities. And it was really humbling seeing firsthand who that food was going to. Most of us don't know the meaning of hunger.